Don't we all use emojis every day? Even a kid or a loving grandparents sure use emojis as a form of expressions these days. But did you know that you can earn money by simply using them? Yes, all you have to do is click on emojis and you'll receive payment directly to your account. For example, clicking on one emoji will earn you $3, and the more emojis you have, the greater your chances of earning a lot of money. Take note that this is completely free and that you can do this using either a smartphone or a computer. Now I'll show you how to register and activate your account in a minute, and I'll go through several real-world situations so you can understand how to do this method correctly. I'll also provide you with a number of tips so you can further increase your income by $500. But before going further into this video, welcome to Millionaire Mindset, where we give you ways and advice to achieve financial freedom. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the like button. Press the notification bell so it will notify you whenever we upload a new video. And lastly, feel free to leave a comment below. Without further ado, let's jump right into it. The first thing I'd like you to visit is Flatikon.com, where you can earn money by clicking on emojis. On their homepage, they have over 3 million vector icons, including a large number of emoticons, all of which are free to download. You may also view here every icon as well as any pictures and images that we can get for free. If I scroll down this page, you'll see how we can use them to make a lot of money online, and in this video, I'll show you how to earn money in 2 ways. I'll go through the first method now, and at the end of the video, I'll go over the second approach for the first technique. Click Become a Contributor at the top of the site to get started. You'll be sent to a Flatikon page where you can join as a contributor by uploading and distributing emojis and earning money for it. The 3 simple steps are as follows. The first step is to create a free account, which I'll explain how to do in a moment. The second step is to share and upload your favorite icon packs, which should include emojis. The third step is basically our favorite because it allows us to get paid and earn money right away. To get started, click this button and you'll be taken to the page where you may create an account for free. People all over the world can open an account. All you have to do is simply type your username, email address, and password, then click the register button. Next, go to this page which says we're almost done, and read all the terms and conditions, then click accept. Once you've completed step 1, you can move on to the second step where you'll modify your profile and earn money. The first stage is to upload a photo of yourself, which you can do by clicking the browse option here and then scroll down to provide further details about yourself. You can also add a public username that you want people to see, select English as a language, and attach any of your social media accounts. If you don't have any other social media accounts, just leave it blank and move on to the next step. We're almost ready to start uploading different images in order to get a significant number of clicks and revenue. But before you do that, we strongly advise you to read the creator's manual. You can click this button to access a platform where you can read further tutorials, get more information, and obtain more instructions on how to utilize this website to generate money. Nonetheless, I'll still show you how to do it quickly in this video. When you click the dashboard link, you'll be taken to the screen where you can see your username at the top, how many emojis and icon packs you've previously contributed, and your daily profits. Remember that we're trying to gather a large number of free emojis in order to put them on our website and profit from them. So go back to Flatikon.com and scroll down to the very bottom of the page to this link, which will take you to Pattern Generator. From there, you can download free Flatikon software that allows you to create a variety of designs and patterns using various emojis. All you have to do now is click on the Try It Now button, which will take you to the Flatikon Pattern Generator software's homepage. This is a completely free software that you may use on your PC or phone from anywhere in the world. The next step is to search for your preferred icon or emojis under this icon section right here. If you like this icon, simply click on it and it will appear on your dashboard as shown here. You can then drag and drop it wherever you want, change its size or rotate it. There are many icons and designs to choose from. Another option is to go to Packs button and browse through all the different emojis and unique images that you can use in your design. Before we go any further, I'd appreciate if you would subscribe to this channel and give it a big thumbs up if you like this video so far. And if you found this video interesting and informative, please leave a comment below. Now we'll go back to emoji section and pick from a selection of emojis to use in your design. You can then repeat the process as shown. You can also choose from a variety of backdrop colors from your public design beneath this icon in the background. And if you like this pink design, for example, we can simply click on it and it will appear on your canvas. It's really easy and doesn't require any technical knowledge. Once you've finished editing, all you have to do is click this download now button right here. Just make sure you follow all of the instructions in this video. The next step is to choose a PNG format and type in 1000 for the pixel size. Now I'd like you to use 4000 by 2000 for the image size, and to download your work, simply click this button here. Then all I have to do now is upload it and start making money. Now I'd like to give you another tip. Click on the search button right here and the random patterns button right here, and the software will assist you in creating some more random patterns that are typically quite useful. When you're finished designing your emojis, go to the flat icon contributor and select My Icons from the drop-down menu. After doing so, you may drag and drop your file into the box below to have it added to the site. As promised, I'm going to show you a second additional way to make money online by going to Fiverr.com. There are many opportunities available on this website, including graphic design, text, and video animation. As you can see, there are many ways to make money online, but I want us to focus on graphics and design in this video. When I click on this button, it will take me to the Art and Illustration subcategory. Now I'd like you to take a look at this pattern design, and because it's a brand new category, it'll be your chance to make money online with no pressure. Simply click this link to go to this page about pattern designs, where you can see how other sellers from all over the world are already making money by simply producing and generating new designs. And because this is a brand new category with limited competition, we can jump right in with my method. For example, if one seller offers $30, a second seller asks for $40 or $50, don't worry, because people here charge and offer prices differently. If you go to this page and click on the seller right here, you'll see that she charges between $60 and $30. Take a look at these examples of what we can do with the free flat icon software by developing new patterns and making money in the same way over and over again for a service that entails picking numerous pattern designs. What's more surprising is that this seller right here has almost no competition. Look at the 400 assignments that have already sold out. To discover who the top sellers are and how much each project cost, for example, we can look at the seller right here that has already made around $8,000 on Fiverr by simply designing new patterns, which is something that you can do yourself using free flat icon software, a website on which goal is to make the user's task as simple and effortless as possible. And that's it! We hope you like it! So what do you think about these websites? Is it an excellent opportunity to make money online? Do you think it will be able to replace our jobs in the future as a primary source of income? Share your thoughts and opinions in the comment section below. If you like similar content like this, feel free to take a look at our other videos. Join us again in Millionaire Mindset for another round of tips on how to get your financial freedom. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe.